Sound the alarm, everyone. Another scam app has been found. Phishing Master. Here we go, everyone. For all you poor people out there that have had to deal with this pathetically programmed app, okay? Guys, I have a problem here. This app promises real life rewards. Look at this, a $2.38 gift card, bro. It promises real life rewards for playing the phishing app, okay? The only problem is, it's completely fake. You will never, ever get your money, dude. I'm putting up on the screen throughout this video real life players' reviews of Phishing Master and why it's a scam, okay? Not only do you need to have $100 to cash out the gift card, you'll never get it. It's the biggest joke going around, bro, and if you're a victim of this scam, please let me know below. I want to offer my sincere condolences for playing trash like this that forces you to watch ads all the time to actually make any proper progression in the app, okay? I don't understand where the regulation is on apps like this. Like, is Google just asleep at the wheel, everyone? Like, does Google not care? Does no one care that these apps exist, bro? Like, honestly, look, it's actually locked me down to watch ads. Like, what is this? What is this garbage, bro? I have to watch ads to upgrade some of my abilities. Do you know how annoying that is, dude? Like, it just makes me want to smash, punch my screen. It makes you want to smash a hole through my screen, how this app allows. Like, no, Google allows this app to exist. Like, why? Why promise people? Why trick people that they're going to win real life money, guys? It just baffles me. Like, if you want people to play your app, why trick them? That's the worst way to go about getting a player base, bro. Like, what are you thinking, developer? And I know, guys, I've had developers literally comment on my videos trying to explain that they're not scams, even though thousands of people have reviewed their app as a 1 star because it's a scam. Boss incoming. Here we go. What's this? What do I do? Keep tapping the reel. Okay. Done. I got a boss somehow. Why do I care? What does this even mean? Where's the real life money? All I see is a Google Play card and that's it. I only have $3.55 out of $100 to exchange. Lemolia. Yeah, nice name. Anyway, it's a joke. Guys, please do not fall victim to this app. You're going to get scammed, bro. Oh, I ended up watching an ad anyway. You know what? Every day. And I say this a lot recently, because every day, I've played over 100 of these apps now on my channel. Every day I wake up and I think I've seen it all. I've seen the Plinko apps. I've seen the merge apps. I've seen the match number apps. Like, you know what I mean? I've seen the solitaire apps. I've seen all these scams. And the puzzle apps, the word apps. Like, there's so many scams out there. And yet, every day, I sit down after work and I realize we have not reached the bottom of the bottom yet. We are still on. Literally. Like, it never ends. We are still chasing down these scam apps that promise real life money to you poor people out there that actually want to earn a few dollars here and there for playing apps. Like, this is the thing. I've had comments telling me, Vince, why do you care? These apps are free. Mind you, these are the developers, by the way, probably, or idiots that play their app that actually think it's real. No offense if you got tricked, but I mean, even after watching my videos, there's still some people, which I'm 100% sure it's the developer, that think it's real still, okay? They think the apps are real and I'm trying to steal all their money. Guys, let me tell you something right now. Listen to me. Listen, like, on a real level here, do you really think I'm going to try and steal your money on these apps? Do you even know how dumb that sounds? Do you know what kind of... where do you live? Do you live in the forest? Do you live in a jungle somewhere? Or the desert? Or Antarctica? Do you really think I'm going to come after your little scam app money? I've had comments legitimately say to me, don't listen to him, he's trying to steal all the Plinko money. Do you know how stupid, how dumb that sounds? And I'm so happy I've exposed it on my channel. Guys, if you look at the... what video is it on? It's in one of my videos. The latest Plinko exposure video, guys. You'll find it, okay? It's me ripping into these scammers that commented on my video. But yeah, Phishing Master is just another 1,000 apps, all the same concept, trying to rip the players off. This is something you have to remember, okay? It doesn't matter if it gives you a pet shark. All it does is promise you real life rewards. And in this case, it's Google Apps or Google Play rewards, okay? It's not real. Please, guys, save your money, save your time. It's a joke. Apparently we've got another boss here. Here we go. Okay. Boss is getting destroyed. Done. Easy. Thank you, boss. Ho 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 ho. Literally laughs like Santa Claus. That's okay. Okay, come on. I don't care. 88 cents. That's great. Seriously, bro. How are you guys playing this app? How does... Dude, I'm so happy this thing is getting negatively reviewed on the Play Store. Guys, people are ripping this app to shreds. Like, literally ripping it to shreds. You got to see the reviews. It's hilarious. I'm going to be putting so many reviews on this video, guys, bit by bit. Alright, you have to all see it, okay? You have to see it. It's a joke. And it's actually very, very funny. Like, people are so mad this app is tricking people. Legit. Nemo. Unlocked Nemo. Okay. Amazing fishing. Harvest times 3. I'm not going to watch an ad. Dude. Another thing that makes me angry. You say no to watch an ad, and it forces you to watch an ad. It's fantastic, man. This is what I want. This is what I want to do in my life. I want to watch another piece of trash. Scam app. This is what I want to watch, bro. My spare time. This is what I want you all to watch. I all want you to watch this trash for me. Look at these stacks, bro. Are you an idiot, mate? Are you on a planet? What planet are you on? Mars? How's this? How have I got a Plinko Master ad? How's there a Plinko Master ad? What's Pusher Mania? Oh my god, please tell me, God. Please tell me this is another scam app. I'm coming for it. Guys, next video, I'm going to play Pusher Mania. You watch this. I'm coming for this app. Check out my channel. You'll see probably Pusher Mania on there. Not even joking right now, dude. Why is there a Plinko Master ad, by the way? Anyway, besides the point. Another ad. Same ad. More than likely, these ads just steal people's likeness and put them in videos, okay? That's the craziest thing. And they don't realize they can get sued for that. You can't just take people's videos, bro, and just use them. It's not how it works, okay? It's not real life. But yet you'll find people that do. It's crazy to me. Anyway. Let's try and collect these. Nice. Look at this, everyone. Fucking awesome. Spin the wheel. Here we go. Obtain 1. Oh, it's going to make me watch an ad, isn't it? It is. Look, there's a little button there to watch an ad. Do you know what I'm going to do, everyone? I'm just going to quit the app. I'm just quitting it. I'm getting rid of this. Phishing Master, don't play it. It's a scam. Delete it. Delete it out of your life forever. Guys, I just saved you years of your life. Trust me. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Check out my channel for more. Love you all out there. Stay safe.